Why do we get hiccups? Hey kids! Have you ever wondered why we get hiccups? It's one of those funny little mysteries of the body. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly jerks or spasms. This makes you take a quick breath in, which causes the hic sound. Sometimes hiccups happen when we eat too fast, drink something too cold, or even when we're laughing a lot. They usually go away on their own, but they can be pretty funny while they last. Have you ever had the hiccups at a really silly time? What's your trick for getting rid of them?